Uh, Hello viewer, good morning. I am again Umair Ahmed with you. So today we are going to do some photography for the biscuits. So actually my arrangement with the small things. I have one tripod with my 1100D camera. I have one selfie stick where I can attach my this iPhone for make the videos for the tutorials. And this is my small setup. So if you see the window, this is our main source of light, the daylight. Or this I make this setup like this. So this I found one thermocol in my home. This is I have one small wooden stool, and there are one milk bottle, and this plates generally I'm using in my home for the taking food, and this is a cutting board from my kitchen, and this is the I make white background with the A3 size paper, and bottom there's a white piece of the cloth for the background. So I hope you will like my video, and please don't forget to share, subscribe, and the like. So press the bell icon also, so in the future if I will upload some tutorial you will also aware about this. Thank you so much. Now let's see how we will make the photography for this biscuits. Thank you. So if you see, we have a good light source today from the our window, and the light also good, and I have also the white background, white theme, so it looks seems more good. And today we are going to use the ISO 200 because we have enough light, so no need to make the increase ISO, and we are going for the photo stick security. So one by two, one by two, 1/25, and we are going to. So for the camera, stop the camera shaking. What I am doing generally, I will show you. So for stop my camera shaking, what I am doing generally, I am set the timer. The timer. So okay, it's a single shoot, continuous shoot, timer. I can make the 10-second timer. Minimum I will do the 5-second timer. So this is my timer. I will make it 5 seconds. So in this 5 seconds, if after my the camera will be shake, it will be on the hold, and we will take the good photos. Okay, so how can I make this? All the background, all the setup. So this I make with the A3 size paper, and I am using the thumb pins to hold this paper. Even if you see from the back side also they are using the thumb pins. So this is our biscuits. Generally I am eating this biscuit on the daily basis. This is a wheat made biscuit, and this is a local milk. So I am going to show some photography skills for this biscuit. So let's see how the result will come out. So just watch for the results of this photo shoots. Thank you. So viewers, now you see we change the directions of the biscuit and the arrangement of the biscuit. We also change the location of the milk powder, and we add the one extra thing, some dates. So because the biscuits and dates is people are using for the healthy as a healthy foods, and you see the now the biscuit in a vertical position. So how I will do this, I will show you. So I use two thumb pin behind the biscuit for as a support. Okay, and now we are going to some close view from the camera. So as you see, where views are like this. So just we will take the shot, and we will show you. Now we are going to take some top view for the biscuits. Okay, and we will make arrangement something like this. So the biscuit is not aligned, but it will, if you take from the top, it will look aligned, it will not come like this. And how we will arrange our camera, this is our camera arrangement, you can see. Okay, so if you see, it is very straight, and after I did, it will look more good. So let's we will take some shots. So we will change our theme, and we add some strawberry and milk, and with the biscuit, and we bring some wooden forks. It will change the environment, and so it looks, if you see, it will looks very good. So we will going to take some top view, and like this, and we already, it will be like this. It will, we will take something half, and it will look more nutritious and looks like a healthy food. And we will take some top view and front view and the side view. So we, after the photo shoots, you will see. Thank you. Actually, this strawberry leaves is not seems good in the photo. So what we will do, we will change the direction little bit, and we will bring it downside, so most of the leaves will not be visible like this. So like this. Okay, it's coming out. So now it seems better.